This little son of a bitch returned here, the fake Polaris motherfucker, the HS250 UTV 2 for hub damage already. Now this thing is like brand new, it's low hour. Like I said, it's two years old, and we got major hub damage. That's from bearings going into there, being pushed. Look at that. They pushed their way out of the race bearings and started eating into stuff where they shouldn't have been. How they kept going in is anyone else's guess. Good news is this thing is so fucking cheap. It literally, parts are cheap for it that you can just buy a whole one with everything already in it for less than 30 bucks. Yeah, that's right. Cheap motherfucking parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on, but I just wanted to show you how cheap these fucking things are. So if you're gonna buy one for your kid, get ready to be replacing parts before you even reach 200 hours. The only good thing I can say about this piece of shit is that I got myself a repeat customer for life. And he's gonna keep bringing me this motherfucking thing, because I can tell you what, nothing lasts on it. This guy wants to keep this thing for his farm. Good luck with that.
You saw a Chevrolet in Tokyo.